So how to deal with your delay? You must know that delay is not a curse. I want you to know it from today. Contrary to what Papa G.O. Prophet has made you to know, that once you are delayed, you are under a curse. Because they've put so many things in your head, in our brain, that you have to go for deliverance against the spirit of delay, that somebody is manipulating your life. That's why you are delayed. Delay is not a curse, but a cause. Curse is C-U-R-S-E. When somebody curses you or curses you. But a cause, that is a lesson, a subject which you need to learn and pass. So when you are undergoing a delay, it's rather you thinking that somebody has caused or bewitched you. No, delay is a cause, is a phenomenon, is a situation for you to learn and to walk out of it. Because your delay might be a period of lesson, a period of teaching, a sober moment. So do not quickly demonize delay, lest you will miss the target. How to deal with delay? You must know that delay is not a cause, but a cause or a subject to learn and to pass. What reason is this? What you call delay is not a subject matter to somebody else. What you are calling as delay is not a delay to another person. You get what I'm saying? So in your own way, it might be a waiting period of learning. Because what you are calling delay is not a delay to somebody. Somebody got it very quickly. Somebody entered into that promotion, entered into that competition, submitted that thing, and he got it quickly because what? He knew what to do, he know how to do it, and it is his time. We are going to get there. So what you call delay, what somebody called delay, what you call delay in America is not delay in Africa. What you call delay in Africa is not a delay in America. When somebody is saying the COVID vaccine is delay in Africa, it's not delay in America. It's not delay in India. It's not delay in China. So what is delay? Hey, watch it before you demonize or before delay envelope you and throw you out of your expectation for your manifestation. So every expectation has a window period of manifestation. Every expectation has a window period of manifestation. So when the window period of manifestation has not been manifested, then people cry and weep that they are in delay. Whereas you are going through what? You are going through Windows manifestation. Windows period of manifestation. Delay has no barrier. I'm telling you how to deal with delay. Delay has no barrier. There is nothing blocking any person's progress because progress is a function of process. Can I repeat myself? There is nobody blocking your progress. Forget about the witches and wizards that is blocking your progress. We're going to get there also. However, remember right now, put this one in your brain, that progress is a function of process. So when your success has not yet arrived or your expectation has not yet, it is a process. It is a process. So every progress is what? A process. They are function of process. So process what you are waiting for and it will soon be in your hand. Process it very well. Delay has no barrier. There is nothing blocking any person's progress because progress is a function of process. So let's ask personal question against delay. Let me ask you some personal question, or let's deal with some personal question about delay. Ask yourself every time you fight a delay, how did you process your progress? Before you begin to cry that I am delayed. No, ask yourself this question. How did you process your progress? Then you will know that you are the enemy of your progress. You are the one delaying yourself. No, not Satan, not enemy, not God. You. Have you sat down to ask yourself at your age? How have you progressed or have you processed your progress? You will realize you are the stumbling block. You are the architect of your delay. Ask yourself, when did you process your progress? At what level? What you should have done when you are 20 years, 30 years, you are just doing it now. You are just doing at 70. You are just doing at 20. What you should have done at 10. Now you are saying that you are delayed in education. Ask yourself, were you not at when? When was the time that you started to process your progress? So don't tell me God has forgotten me. No, you have forgotten yourself and you have forgotten the right thing at the right time. How did you progress your progress? When did you process your progress? And where did you process your progress? Also matters to a quick manifestation of your expectation. Don't pursue the right thing at the wrong place, and don't pursue the wrong thing in the right place. Ask yourself those two questions. Personal question against delay. Ask yourself every time you felt a spirit of delay before you go for 21st, 21 day, 50-day fasting and prayer. How did you process your progress? When did you process your progress? Where did you process your progress? And that will lead me to let you, that will somehow answering some of the type of delay, the spiritual, the physical, the medical delay. Fact about delay, we are talking about today. Working out of delay syndrome for your quick, undeniable manifestation. Delay, hear me, I want to talk about the fact about your delay right now. Delay is a function of location. Don't always or quickly demonize delay. Think about all these facts before you begin to fast and pray and do gymnastics and go for deliverance. Delay is a function of location. Where are you located spiritually, medically, mentally, and psychologically? Because before you can expect any quick, undeniable manifestation, you must find yourself in the right location. If you are not in the right location, you can never tell me that you will achieve quick manifestation. You can go to FNB and queue there while you have Standard Bank card. You will be delayed. Many people go into a queue, they just stay there and they are the last person at the queue without asking question. Excuse me, is this the queue for FNB or for Standard Bank? So by the time they follow, they go to the ATM to put their card, they realize that they have been standing for 5 hours at wrong ATM. Has it not happened to you before? You go to airport, somebody is going to America or is going to London, you queue in the wrong place, and then by the time you get to that place after waiting and tired, and then you are even praying and casting demon, you go to that, they say, sorry, ma'am, that's the queue. The next one is the queue for East London. You go and start it again, and now you have the flight delay, and then you are saying, hey, I have a delay. No, it's a function of your wrong location, sir. Many people are in the wrong location now. Emotionally, psychologically, spiritually. And we will get to that. Delay is a function of location. So now let me quickly look at type of delay. As we begin to look at this type or the characteristics of delay. Number one delay we must learn to deal with is false or wrong religion or spiritual location delay. Wrong, false religion or spiritual location delay. This is very, very important to most of the people under the sound of my voice, because I want to believe Christian believers are are under the sound of my voice at this Sunday morning right now, or whatever time you are watching me, if you are not a believer, you may not be, this topic may not be interested to you. So for you that are under the sound of my voice, please identify this major problem right now and deal with it. There are so many people, Christian, believers, and part of unbelievers, that may never experience any progress in their life because they are in a wrong religion or spiritual location. When they are thinking that they are in the right location, you may definitely be delayed as long as you are in a wrong spiritual or religious location. Many people think they are in the right spiritual location where they are being deceived, and by deception, day in, day out, year in, year out, man in, man out, they are under the spirit of delay. They have delayed themselves where they put themselves. So many believers, and particularly the churchgoers, are sitting, as I'm talking to you right now, or they are sitting as of today in the wrong church location. No matter how long or how many years of such ministry, it doesn't make it right. They are in the wrong location. No matter the personality of the gods, of the GOs, or the founders, it is still a wrong location. Because the ministry you serve is based on the wrong doctrine. There are many wrong doctrines. No matter how many years they celebrated, no matter their personality, no matter the anointing upon that man's life, no matter how caricatured they were, they are a wrong doctrine ministry, leading people into wrong part of life by their fancy and fantastic establishment globally. No man can deliver you from your spiritual stupidity and gullibility until you borrow your sense. A sense. No man. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to say. No man can deliver you from your spiritual stupidity and gullibility until you borrow your sense and right and deep thinking senses. That's when you can get yourself out of the spirit of delay. Some of people under the sound of my voice, they are in a wrong ministry location. Yet, because they are going there and they have suspended their brain to know that what they are looking for is in their sitting room or is in their hand, but they have made themselves going through Israelite journey by going to that wrong location. What you are seeking for perhaps is right in your sitting room. But your gullibility, our gullibility, has made us to think, I am under delay. Prophet, I must see prophet after service. I must see pastor after service to lay hands on me, to give me the mantle. My friend, you can wait tired. Sometimes you did not even see that bishop you are going to look for 1 month, for 2 months. Come on, deliver yourself and look unto Jesus, the author and finisher of your faith. He is here. He is here to set the captive free and to set the captive free. Oh, Jesus is here right now. He's always there with you. Your ability and discernment spirit to assess your current church or your spiritual abode and your spiritual location is the beginning of your undeniable quick manifestations of God. Simple. Go and digest it. No man can deliver you from spiritual stupidity or your gullibility. Number 2,